Think diesel is just for pickups? Think again. One of wyotech's 4 core programs is Diesel Technology. Diesel Technology at wyotech is all about big rigs, heavy machinery, and powerful engines. You'll dive into everything from advanced diagnostics to fuel systems, learning how to service tractors, semis, and construction equipment. Tune-ups, emission systems, and electrical troubleshooting. We teach it all. If you want to build, repair, and power the machines that keep the world moving, Diesel Technology is your path to success. Our second core program is Automotive Technology, featuring light-duty diesel. Automotive Technology at wyotech is where your passion for cars meets real-world experience. From engine diagnostics to advanced electrical systems, you'll get hands-on with the latest tools and tech. Brake systems, suspension, fuel management. We teach it all. And you'll also dive into hybrid, EVs, and light-duty diesel, Duramax, Cummins, and Power Stroke engines. Ready to go beyond just oil changes and tire rotations? Automotive Technology is your foundation for a career in the fast lane. Our third core program is Collision and Refinishing. In this program, you'll bring vehicles back to life, inside and out. From frame repair to paint and bodywork, you'll master the skills to restore vehicles to their factory shine. You'll learn sanding, priming and color matching, paintless dent repair, STRS welding, as well as working with state-of-the-art spray booths and equipment. It's not just about fixing dents and scratches. It's about transforming a vehicle into a work of art. If you're ready to leave your mark on the auto industry, Collision and Refinishing is your launch pad. Last, but certainly not least, is welding, where precision meets power. You'll learn to weld steel and aluminum, skills used in everything from construction to motorsports. Master MIG, TIG, and stick welding, all while building projects that push your limits. Whether it's structural, pipe fitting, or custom fabrication, welding is the backbone of industries worldwide. Ready to make your mark with molten metal? Welding at wyotech, where sparks fly and careers take shape.